welcome. This is Word for Word, a program that is designed to teach you all you need to learn about sign language. My name is Blessing Abani Elem, and here with me today is Festus Zenda, our sign language instructor. Our first lesson on hashtag Word for Word is the importance of body and facial expressions in sign language. Facial expressions are a huge part of communication and perception. If we said hello like this, you will know we are happy to see you and share with you. But if we said hello like this, you will know we aren't interested in the conversation. You also agree with me that there are certain expressions for certain feelings. Likewise, there are certain feelings that have two meanings but same word. For example, what as an exclamation. What as a question. Are you serious as a question. Are you serious as a sarcastic response. You can also display displeasure with your expressions, such as, I don't like that. Likewise, you can express excitement or sentiment with your face. Example, I agree. Or even, I love you. It helps immensely when you mouth the word as you express. That is it for today. Try and practice your facial expressions even as you speak regularly.
Let's do a quick recap.
See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscription button. Bye.
Remember, learning sign language is a step towards ensuring that persons who are hard of hearing can be included in your conversations. So until I see you next week, keep learning and keep practicing sign language. Word for Word is brought to you by Street Project Foundation and Voice.